Step inside the 2026 7-passenger Santa Fe and experience in next-level connectivity and comfort. From the sleek, sculpted exterior to the refined cabin, this is where technology meets everyday living. Your command center, a vibrant 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No cables, just a seamless connection. Whether it's streaming your favorite playlist via HD radio and Sirius XM or navigating with ease, you're always in control. Sitting in the back, the innovative rear seat quiet mode lets your passengers enjoy their space without audio distractions. Perfect for conversations, calm rides, or getting the little one settled. Comfort doesn't stop there. The Santa Fe offers 7-passenger seating, so the whole crew rides together, while upscale seating and trim elevate every journey. Unlock and start with ease. With Hyundai Digital Key 2 Premium and a proximity key with push-button start, you leave the fumble behind. And for peace of mind, the Santa Fe comes backed by an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, so you're covered for the long haul. Santa Fe has earned IIHS Top Safety Pick. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The 2026 Santa Fe, where cutting-edge tech, premium comfort, and smart protection come standard. Take a look, take a drive, and see how the future rides. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.